Gaikwad, Joint Secretary, Rayat Shikshan Samstha Satara. Advocate K.V. Patil, Legal Advisor, Rayat Shikshan Samstha Satara. Advocate D.I.S. Mulla, Member, Managing Council, Rayat Shikshan Samstha Satara. His Honor Satara. November is also presented to me. I request Dr. I request Dr. Pawar ma'am to please felicitate Dr. Dr. N.S. Gaikwad. I request Dr. Pawar ma'am to please felicitate I request Dr. Anil. I request Dr. Patil to felicitate Shri P.P. Zoshi. I request Dr. Honorable Shri D.K. Mulla. Additional, I request Dr. Patil to felicitate Honorable Srimati Rutuja Bhosle. I request Dr. Pawar to felicitate. I request Dr. Patil to please deliver her inaugural speech.
Justice Dr. Dhananjay Chandrachud, Judge, Bombay High Court. President of today's function, Honorable Shri A.D. Upadhyay, District Judge, Satara. Dr. Anil Patil sir, Vice Chairman, Rayat Shikshan Samstha. Dr. Arvind Gurungle, who was present here as Secretary of Rayat Shikshan Samstha. The sponsors of this competition, Dr. Srimati S.R. Jagirdar, who is present through her son, Shri Ashok Jagirdar, Srimati Surela Jagirdar, who is present here, and Niranjan Jagirdar. The members of panel of judges for this competition, Shri Sanjay Deshmukh, Shri Vijay Gaikwad, Shrikant Bhosle, Srimati Anjali Apte, Shri D.K. Mulla, Srimati Rutuja Bhosle. Similarly, Advocate K.V. Patil and Advocate D.I.S. Mulla, who are present on the dais. All the honorable delegates, invitees, and all the honorable judges from Satara District Court, Hosamkar Madam, Zoshi sir, and all other distinguished members. Please excuse me for not naming everybody here. Teams who have come to enroll themselves in this competition from all over Maharashtra, and my dear students. I welcome you all on behalf of Rayat Shikshan Samstha's Ismail Said Mullah Law College on this occasion of inaugural session of the late Justice B.V. Gajendra Gadkar Memorial State Level Moot Court Competition. As you all know, Justice Chandrachud has already given the introduction of the Justice Gajendra Gadkar, who hailed from Satara city, and his daughter, Dr. S.R. Jagirdar, wanted to cherish his memories in Satara in some form of academic activity. When this was suggested, we gladly agreed to start a state-level moot court competition in remembrance of Justice Gajendra Gadkar, commencing from this year. Dr. S.R. Jagirdar also desired that His Lordship, Honorable Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, would inaugurate this competition, and I am really thankful to His Lordship that in spite of his busy schedule, he has given us his precious time to inaugurate this competition, as well as he has launched the website of Ismail Sahibullah Law College today. Late Justice P.B. Gajendra Gadkar, he completed his matriculation from Satara High School, and as you all know, Justice Chandrachud has spoken about him, that he did his BA, MA and LLB from Pune in honours. During his days in Pune, he earned the mastery over Sanskrit, and he earned the honour of being Dakshina Fellow, Bhagwan Das Purushottam Das Sanskrit Scholar, and gained the Vedanta Prize as well. In 1926, he completed LLB with honours and joined the appellate side of Bombay Bar. During 1945 to 47, he worked as judge at Bombay High Court and was elevated to Supreme Court in 1956. In 1964, Justice Gajendra Gadkar became Chief Justice of India and retired in 1966. Thereafter, he was Honorary Vice Chancellor of Bombay University and headed many national commissions and international commissions, like Law Commission of India. He also was the chairperson for First National Commission of Labour, the Bank Award Commission, etc. He worked as chairman of Committee of Reorganization of Legal Education in Delhi University. He was president of Maharashtra Social Reform Conference twice. Apart from being erudite scholar of Sanskrit, he possessed great command over law and language and has made significant contribution to interpretation of Hindu law. Earlier, he edited Hindu Law Quarterly and wrote critical edition of Dattak Mimamsa. He translated the 10 classical Upanishads and has authored almost 10 books and many articles. He delivered series of lectures on Hindu law on adoption at Bombay University and on Hindu code bill in Karnataka University. He also organized campaigns for eradicating the evils of casteism, untouchability, superstition, and to promote national integration and unity. He was closely connected with educational institutions like Indian Law Institute, New Delhi, India International Center, Indian Institute of Public Administration and Constitutional Law. He effectively and liberally interpreted law with aspirations, convictions and philosophies of men and women of the time. He possessed combination of temper, patience and courtesy and insisted on substantial justice, tabooing mere technicalities of procedure. His honesty, professional ethics, uprightness and human approach has gone a long way. Vibhushan was conferred upon him by Government of India in 1972. We are indeed very proud and privileged to start this state level moot court competition in his remembrance, and we also feel fortunate to have His Lordship Honorable Justice Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud for his inauguration of this competition today. His Lordship also has an extraordinary and brilliant academic career in law and is known nationally as well as internationally for his profound scholarship and legal acumen. We have all heard him, and that has really introduced the kind of personality he is. But for the decorum of the program, I would like to give some brief introduction about Justice Chandrachud as well. I understand that due to the time constraints, we had to prepone the speech of His Lordship, and of course I will be giving brief introduction now. Justice Dr. Dhananjay Chandrachud, Judge, High Court of Bombay. He has done his BA honours from St. Stephen's College, Delhi in 1979. He did LLB from Delhi University in 1982 and LLM and doctorate in law in 1986 from Harvard Law School. He enrolled as an advocate in 82 and was designated as senior advocate in 1998. He taught international law at Oklahoma